Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to make fried egg soup easy method. Start by heating a clear broth in a pot until it simmers gently, then whisk eggs in a bowl. Slowly drizzle the eggs into simmering broth while stirring to create ribbons, then season with soy sauce, sesame oil, and white pepper. Finish with scallions and a squeeze of citrus for brightness before serving warm to enjoy immediately. Measure out 2 to 3 eggs for every 2 cups of broth and put scallions, soy sauce, sesame oil, and white pepper nearby. Bring the broth to a gentle simmer while you beat the eggs lightly in a bowl until slightly frothy. Keep a ladle or fork ready to stir the broth slowly as you drizzle the eggs. This preparation helps ribbons form and ensures even cooking for a silky texture. If this recipe is helping you, please subscribe and like to support more easy cooking videos. Quick recommendation: I love the Oala water bottle for staying hydrated while cooking. It's leak-proof, fits cup holders, and keeps water cold during long prep sessions. Check the description for the product link and other deals. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Keep your broth at a gentle simmer and avoid high heat, which can make eggs rubbery. Slowly pour the beaten eggs in a thin stream while stirring the broth in one direction to form even ribbons. Let the soup settle for a few seconds to finish cooking, then remove from heat and stir in sesame oil and scallions. Taste and adjust with soy sauce or a little citrus to lift the flavors before serving warm.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.